There's Amy.
My
Yeah.
swimming question.
How would you rate this beach out of 10 watermelons?
What?
Did I not ask that yet?
No. Like a 7?
Wow.
What is a watermelon?
7's kind of low.
It's just like the sun's like.
Yeah, it is. It's like really hot. And there's riptides, so that's valid. How was your birthday so far?
It's good.
What have you done? Give us a day in the life.
Okay, so this morning I woke up and then I came to breakfast and we had pancakes.
Yeah.
And then Esme got me Nutella for my pancakes, so that was
How generous.
I know. And then I was in the hatchery, talked to the American children, and then now we're here.
Now we're here. Oh, wow. Big day. Here's the food. Vegano. What are we doing right now? This isn't a picture. It's a video. This is my vlog. Adam, how are we doing?
We're doing great. We're on a tour. You can see some dolphins.
Maybe. Anything else? Yeah, some whale. I mean, definitely can. Yeah. Oh, it's pretty. What's happening? We're snorkeling. I thought we were gonna like get in. It was gonna be like all these amazing like volcanic rocks. No. Yeah, this is the view. It feels like we're in Titanic. We just go down this slide. We just get on another boat. We have Adam over there. Oh, look at that competition. Oh. Oh my gosh, this is major deja vu. Go for it. Oh no. That was so bad. Yikes. Are you okay? What's wrong? Oh yeah. Too tipsy to do a front flip. Yeah. Don't do it because you'll just hurt yourself. I'm gonna scared. Okay, ready? Will it hurt my ear? Okay, ready? Wait, oh my god. I'm scared. Okay. Is it gonna hurt me? No, just keep your legs together. Okay, are you ready? What are my ears? No, your ears will be fine. You're not gonna go too. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. Snorkeling and stuff, you get like, ooh, slide. Woo!
No, wait, don't go.
Oh my gosh, yeah, the camera. It's vlog time. We've been getting free drinks. We've had 2 cocktails and now we have a beer. Should we get some more? I still need to finish my beer. Here we have Adam, who did some failed backflips.
Some very failed backflips, yes.
Yeah, we just went snorkeling and it was pretty bad. Oh, get me a tan. Oh, she wants a tan. There's the group.
Aloha.
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 We're actually not in Hawaii anymore, so we say hola here. Hola. Thanks. Is it gone?
Yeah, it was on your thumb now.
Ew! Okay, what do I do with that? That's disgusting. I'm glad this is on film.
I was there the whole time because it made me feel bad.
Why didn't you tell me? Sunset cruise. Sunset cruise. So, how was this morning?
We wait for a bus for an hour.
I literally don't know why I felt so bad.
And then Amy puked.
I don't, that's just not normal. I think it's just like...
Take 2. Amy threw up this morning. We were waiting for our bus for 30 minutes. No,
How
it's
do you feel about
okay.
yourself?
I feel so much better about myself now.
That's good.
I don't feel good about myself. But
Where are we right now?
I feel... Manuel Antonio.
What was the accent?
That was like Italian.
Oh god, this is turning off now. Goodbye.
Out of here. Just want to update you.
Yeah, on the beach.
There's Amy, who's been dying this whole morning.
I'm getting there. I'm feeling better.
Good.
Can they hurt you?
They probably can bite you.
Hello. Life is so different now. I like where I am so much more now. Wow. Homestay with 17 other people. Yikes. I'm very content. This host family makes me a bit uncomfy, but I like all the people in it a lot. It's so weird to be with people from the US. Now all the girls in my room are invested in me hooking up with this guy. I think they are overestimating how into him I am. He's literally a replica. It's kind of problematic. Yeah.
Yep. And from Parita all the way to Quepos. We have
Don't drop my phone.
What did we just do?
We went for a lovely canopy walk.
Lovely.
Yeah.
And then we went in what?
Went to a waterfall. Did some jumping.
Yes. I slid down it a little bit. Embarrassing.
Adam got his drone out and cut himself.
Oh yeah, show them your cut. You can't see it, just turn it over. Oh no.
Oh no.
How embarrassing.
Yeah.
This is something I won't remember. Oh my god. I have a 5-mile hike tomorrow morning at 8 a.m. Yes, sir. But everything's fine. Oh god. I just got touched neck.
That's not good. That's really not good. That's really not good. Oh my god. This is not good. This is not it.
We're gonna make it. We're gonna make it again. We're gonna make it. This is so vlogging.
I'm really
Thank you. I have to pee. Oh my god, this is a 40-second long video.
I feel like that looks silly anyway. You are not doing that. Wow. Oh my god. I'm realizing how confusing / manipulative I am without even trying. Oops.
forward. Come on, let's go forward, guys, forward. Get down, get down. ¡Pura vida! Bye. Lean in. Forward! Forward! Forward, guys! Woo!
That was a lot more intense than I thought it was going to be.
Stop, get down. Keep forward. Forward twice. Get down. Okay, do it now.
Okay, so what just happened?
Why do you can't say what happened? I literally
Well, because that's what the
You
vlog
always
is.
film us, but none of us are vloggers, so none of us know how to react.
No, I'm just asking like what happened.
Why don't you explain what happened?
Okay, I'll explain. So basically, see, I get really distracted when I start talking.
Yeah, you do.
So basically, where are we gonna go? Nowhere. Sorry, that I was reading a text.
Does anyone watch these? You upload them?
Yeah, I have so many. I do it more for myself. Some people do watch them, but I don't know why they would watch them.
Oh, you're a YouTuber.
Yeah, but like it's for the memes more. Oh my god. Now anyway, so we booked an Airbnb. It depends on the video. Situation over here.
So, wait, did we get free food?
No.
So I got an Airbnb because we're partying and we're not allowed to have a party.
So we got a refund.
And now I have to refund everybody back.
So grim.